Is this the Treaty Repair Shop?
Yeah, it is, mate, actually. Welcome to Treaties R Us. What can I do for you?
Well, I've got a Lisbon Treaty, current model. Oh, I think the wheels are coming off.
Bring it over here, mate. I mean... Oh, dear. It's not unknown for the wheels to come off, but I don't know. It's hard to know what might cause it, frankly. Can you help me with this? Just, you get one end. That's it. Okay. Oh, okay. Careful.
Fragile.
Actually, it even feels unstable. I'm not reading it. So, look. Can you just hold it for me? Hold it steady. I've got a torch here. We'll have a look. See what it is. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is a CT2 model, Lisbon CT2. Consolidated 3D combined text. And by my way of thinking, it is in need of a complete restoration.
Yeah, I use it a lot.
Well, it seems basically solid.
If you actually read it...
Be careful, put it down.
It feels unsafe.
Unsafe as in?
Unstable. It really feels like the wheels are coming off. It's the only way I can describe it. It wobbles a lot and shakes, and there's a noise.
What kind of noise?
There's a sort of
What, you mean like...
No.
Clunker. Where did you get this treaty from?
I bought it from a Polish government official. I paid good money for that.
So it was assembled in Poland, and I'm telling you, my son, with my experience, that could explain quite a lot of things.
Does it?
Yeah, I think your Polish government official who ripped you off was taking the, dare I use the expression, PIS.
What makes you say that?
Why don't you read the papers? There's a crackdown on dodgy Polish-made Lisbon treaties. And the owner of this one obviously offloaded it on a gullible suspect before it fell apart completely.
Jesus.
Yeah, I am guessing, gonna check, I am guessing that your clunker is coming from very near the front.
Yes!
It is, yeah, right? Just as I thought. That's why it feels the wheels are coming off. Article 7. Specifically, your suspension. And more bad news, if your Article 7 is causing that much trouble, that is because your Article 2 is knackered.
What's Article 2?
Well, basically it's the rule of law. Human rights, rule of law, mate. And frankly, Article 2 is what keeps the whole treaty together, more or less.
It sounds really serious.
It is. Article 2 starts malfunctioning, people can get hurt, mate. I mean, it's as bad as that. Article 2 sets off Article 7, and then that destabilises the whole bloody treaty. I mean, look, I'm not even reading it properly. Look at that. Jesus, I'm surprised you got it here in one piece, frankly. You're lucky this one didn't go out of control while you were reading it.
Well, it sort of did, but luckily I managed to close it before it shook apart.
Well, to make matters worse on this model, your Article 2 and your Article 7 are only one page apart. Which is a serious design fault.
So where was the
Well, the clunker is your suspension.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And if that carries on, I mean, even Article 16 could seize up. And God knows what else is going on.
Oh, so you see, Steve?
Well, that's the one that keeps the wheels turning.
So I might as well cut my losses and scrap it.
No. Luckily, the only bit of good news for you is that sometimes these things do cure themselves.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a long history of treaties which looked like they were heading for the knacker's yard after some horrible malfunction, and they've recovered. I mean, these aren't the best made things, but they've been amazingly resilient over the years.
Yeah, what about that one that never even got off the production line?
Oh no, that was a prototype constitution, mate. Yeah, that one. The constitution crashed and burned during testing, during the design stage. What, 15 years ago? But these Lisbons, I mean, you know, this one's well worn, but fairly strong and stable. Even the ones assembled in Poland and Hungary.
And you think the Article 7 problem might rectify itself?
We'll know in about 10 days, I guess. Don't try to read it until after March the 20th. Okay.
And if all goes well, I won't need to replace it.
No. This one may be a bit more, but it's still got all the right instruments and the usual Lisbon upgrades, emergency brake, social impact accelerator, which is good, reinforced horizontal framework, integrated vertical restraint system to stop you automatically if you're heading for a cliff edge, plus all the usual Article 136 accessories. I wouldn't sell this if I were you, mate, before you have to.
So what are the odds on it being usable again after March 20?
Well, certainly better than 50-50. Talking of which, I ought to take a look at your Article 50 while I've got it, should I?
Well, surely not. The Article 50 problem only affects right-hand drive UK assembled treaters and they're being phased out.
Well, that's what the general public thinks. But, you know, it's true that the right-hand drive ones are the only ones in which we've had the record of a fatality. But, I mean, that's not to say that the other ones won't get into trouble too. I mean,
that could include mine then.
Well, hang on, I'll check the list. Hold on a minute. I've got the list here somewhere. Yep. Poland, Hungary, Netherlands, France, and Sweden. Wow. Oh, and they just added Italy.
Well, perhaps I better leave my treaty with you then.
Yeah, don't take it home.
Is there anything else I should be concerned about?
Well, that's enough of it, really. No, I don't think so. Oh, I'll give you Article 207 once over, just in case.
Just in case of what?
Well, these days you can never be sure. But you certainly got to watch out for rogue traders.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate.